Yes, my son.
Let's ask you, Mr. Leader.
Yes.
We are proud. Our prophet is Last Prophet. Some people used to say that a Christian Jesus would come by grace. Some people say he will not come by grace. Some Ahmadiyya people will not believe that Jesus will not come by grace. If he come by grace, that means the prophet is last. So I want you to swear honestly to us for that.
The brother is asking, he said, we believe that our Nabi Kareem sallallahu alayhi wa sallam is Khatamun Nabiyyin. He is the last of the prophets, he is the seal of the prophets. He said, yes. Now the qadiani, they are saying that if Jesus Christ is coming back in his second coming, then our Nabi is not the last prophet. Is that the question? So what is the answer? You see, the one who's got the title, Khatamun Nabiyyin, that title you can't take away. This is a new prophet, another new prophet coming along. The one that went out and came back again. I'm going to give a prize to the guy, the 100th guy that comes in. He gets a prize, a reward from me. 1,000 shillings. Right? So that guy comes in, he gets his 1,000 shillings. And then he goes out. And the guy wants to come back again. It's not counted. He's going to come back again. You don't count that. The one he came in when he was the 100th guy, he got his ticket and he's got his prize. Our Nabi, the last of the prophets, he got his title, Khatamun Nabi. The Quran is the last and final revelation of Allah. Right? We don't need any more. We don't need a prophet, and we don't need another book. Like Khatamun Nabi. That guy, because he wants to make his man, Mirza Ghulam Ahmed, as Jesus Christ in his second coming, therefore now all this exercise. He wants to make the Mirza Ghulam Ahmed his leader to take the place of Jesus Christ. In his second coming, he said that Mirza Ghulam Ahmed was Jesus Christ in his second coming. Therefore, he wants to kill Jesus and he wants to do all these arguments. He's waiting. Tell him, man, look, what is your purpose? If you want to propagate Islam, look, the Christians, there are millions around you here. Right? But he's not interested in the Christians, he's interested in you. He's interested in you. That means he's creating division. If you are interested in doing dawah, go and give dawah to the Jews, the Christians, the Hindus. Man, there are millions in the world today. Right? What do you want to pick up with me? I'm a Muslim, I believe in Allah and His Holy Prophet and the Holy Quran. You are wasting your time with me.